Hello everyone, we are going to make cracked wheat or dalia today with green peas and ground nuts which is also called peanuts. This recipe is not only very easy to make, it's also diabetic friendly because of its high fiber content. There is also added protein because of the peas and nuts. So let's get cooking. If you have not seen dalia before, this is how it looks. This is cracked wheat and where I live it is sold by the numbers. Mine is number 4 which is very coarse. But if you want smaller pieces, please buy number 1, 2 or 3. And I am also adding 1/4 cups of raw peanuts. So let's get cooking now. The first step is to roast the dalia. I am going to dry roast it in a heated wok or kadai. We have to be patient while roasting and this step is absolutely necessary. I am going to roast it on a medium heat, constantly stirring it. It will take me about 3 to 4 minutes. I want to see some white spots and also get the toasty aroma. You may wonder why are we doing this step? Roasting not only brings out the flavor, it also going to make our dalia fluffy and not so sticky. Our dalia or cracked wheat is now roasted. I see some white spots, that means it's ready. So I'm going to transfer it to another pan. Into the same pan I have heated couple of tablespoons full of oil. Let's check the oil if it's hot. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of brown mustard seeds, 1/4 cup of peanuts. Nuts are fried and little darker now, so I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 green chilies cut in half, and small onion chopped. Also adding 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now we have to cook it till onions are soft. So let's cover it and cook it for another couple of minutes. The onion is cooked well, so I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and frozen and thawed peas. Let's stir it and make sure everything is well combined with the spices. The peanuts or ground nuts and frozen peas is added fiber and protein to this dish. That makes it one pot delicious and nutritious meal. It is time to add the roasted dalia or cracked wheat. Stir it well to evenly coat with the spices. Now adding 2 cups of boiling water to it. It's a good idea to heat water on the side when you start cooking. It speeds up your cooking time. I grew up eating this dish. My mother made it often and to this date it is still my go-to meal. It's highly nutritious and is one part meal. So now the water is coming back to boil. I'm going to taste the salt to make sure if we have enough salt in there, and then I'm going to cover it and let it cook on very low heat for about 20 minutes. So it has been 20 minutes. Let's check our dalia. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. It smells heavenly. It is cooked well. You can see each grain is separated, nice and fluffy. I can't wait to serve it. I'm going to serve this dish with sweet and sour lime pickle, which is homemade, and homemade plain yogurt also. On my channel I have recipes for yogurt and pickle both. Please check it out. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. I would love to hear back from you and stay connected for another simple recipe like this. Till then, goodbye.